Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best project management tools. We're going to go through a range of different tools. We're going to talk about the pros and cons of each, as well as things like the pricing, the availability, the things that you can do on it, all the features, and then we're going to summarize which ones we think are the best. Now, before I get into this video, I just want to say please make sure you watch this video the whole way through and pay close attention to ensure that you don't miss out on any of the tools that we talk about, and so that you get an accurate and a good project management tool for your business. So let's get right into this. Now, the first one that we have on our list is monday.com, and that is literally the domain, monday.com. Now you can come on here, and this is a all-in-one platform that allows you to manage a ton of different things. So you can do creative and design, software development, marketing, project management, sales and CRM, task management, HR, operations, and there's also this more workflows button here. Now when you join the site here, you can select which ones you need, and you can hit get started here, and you can use their free plan. Now on their free plan, you literally don't need to put your card in at all, which is really good. It means that you can just get started and you don't have to worry about getting charged. Now they also have a free plan which you can use forever, and I'll go more into that in a second. Now if I scroll down here, you can see a ton of the different little features that they do have, and how it all integrates into each other. And this is really good for just making your workflow really efficient and helping your team work together really, really well. You can see here it allows you to streamline your processes, and there's tons of different features they have. So there's different boards, views, dashboards, integrations, automations, apps, and docs. So it's a really good option. Now in terms of the pricing, if I have a look over here for you, this is for up to 3 people, so you can have this free plan which gives you 3 boards, unlimited docs, 200 templates, 8 column types, up to 2 team members, and you get iOS and Android apps. Now this is a really great option. It's free, and actually this one is up to 2 seats here, so it's really good. Then on the basic plan, you just get unlimited free viewers, unlimited items, 5 gigabytes of storage, which is pretty good, not that much though. Prioritize customer support, and you get to create a dashboard based on 1 board, so it's quite interesting. Now on the standard plan here, this is really where you get more of the features. You get timeline and Gantt views, you get calendar views, guest access, you get way more automations, way more integrations, and you get to create a dashboard that combines up to 5 boards. Now for these ones here, these are really only for bigger companies, so you probably don't need these. You probably only need one of these 3 plans. So this is the first option, monday.com. We really recommend this one here, and we're actually going to have a link in the description if you do want to sign up, so you can go and use that link. The next software that we have here is Smartsheets. Now Smartsheets is just another of these project management systems. You can see here it's giving you a pretty good overview on how it looks, all that kind of stuff. It's free, which it says here, and it has very similar features to Monday. I think that personally the UI and the usability is not as good as Monday. That's just my preference, and I think it's not as good overall. I don't think. If we go over here to the pricing, we can see the pricing is pretty similar. They have a free plan, which is 0. It's 1 user, up to 2 editors. And this is people getting started. So you get up to 2 editors, 2 sheets. You get these different views. You get dashboards and reports. You get 500 megabytes of attachment storage, which isn't a lot. You get 100 automations per month. You can log in with these here. And that's all you really get for that. Now for the £5 plan, you do get more stuff, but still, I don't think it's as good as monday.com. So the next one we're going to look at is Airtable. Now Airtable, this is it allows you to help your team work faster and more confidently, as it says here. It's simple to use. Yep, that's true. And it's really customizable for whatever your needs might be. Now you can see here it allows you to integrate with a lot of different workflows, so Slack, Google Calendar, Salesforce, all of these different things that you use in your business, which is really useful because it allows your team to communicate all in one place. So it is a good option. I'll show you the pricing here. Again, you can sign up for free here. So you get unlimited bases, 1,000 records per base, up to 5 editors, 1 gigabyte of attachments per base, 100 automation runs, and interface designer. Now, this is the free plan. The next one up is $20 a month, which is quite expensive. So I think that this one is probably not one of the best ones here. Now, if you want to have a little look more, you can pause the video now and have a look at these. But I would still not recommend this as the best one on this list. Now, next, we're going to go over to this software here called Trello. Trello is probably one of the biggest ones. You may have heard of it before, and it just allows you basically to, as the others, help your team, work together well. Now you can see here a Trello board. I don't think it personally is that good looking. I think it's a bit confusing. I don't think it has as many utilities and as many functions as the other softwares. So you can see here it gives you a few different features. It has project management, meetings, onboarding, task management, brainstorming, resource hub. So it has all these features, but these are pretty basic if you ask me. It gives you can have set deadlines for your team. You can do all of that kind of stuff. And let's go down to the pricing here. We can have a look at the pricing. So they have a free plan, of course. It doesn't tell you what you actually get for it. Now you get the next plan up, which is $5. This is for small teams. And then you've got premium, which is for larger teams. So if I go into the plans here, or maybe I'll go into the pricing to show you. Okay, so on the free plan, you get unlimited cards, which is, good. Up to 10 boards, unlimited power-ups per board, unlimited storage, 10 megabytes file. That's not a lot whatsoever. 250 workspace command runs, custom backgrounds and stickers. No one really cares about that. Unlimited activity log, assignee and due dates, iOS and Android mobile apps, and two-factor authentication. So you can see that it is pretty lackluster compared to some of the other options like Monday.com. Now on the standard plan, $5, the only difference really is you get 250 megabytes per file, which is bigger, but still, if you're uploading videos, those can be 5 to 10 gigabytes, some of them. So it's not that good. You're going to need to use this one or this one. Finally, I'm going to go over to our last plan here, which is Zoho. This is Zoho Projects, and this is one of our second favorite. So I think our first favorite is Monday.com. This is probably the second best one. So this is, in my opinion, it's really easy to use. You can see here, it gives you all these different features here: home, feed, discuss, reports, calendar, projects. It allows you to segment up really nicely, gives you lots of chart views. And I think it's just a really professional option. You can automate tasks, you can customize projects, and you can integrate it with some really good apps here. You can see how many integrations it has, which is really cool. Also, another good feature of this is that they allow you to put it on your mobile, which is really good, because I think some of these other ones require you to go onto like their website, which is not that easy to use. Now, pricing for this is actually similar to the rest. You get 2 projects, 5 gigabytes of storage space, custom status, task management, Gantt chart, project feeds, calendar and forums, basic tasks and issue reports, and mobile apps. Now for this one, for the £4 a month one, you get 100 gigabytes of storage, which is not huge, but it's going to take you somewhere. If you don't need too much storage, this one's a pretty good option. It gives you all of these other features here, like tracking, which is really cool. There's a lot of features, and it's a good price. So overall, I would recommend going for either Zoho Projects or Monday.com. Now, if you do want to sign up to either of these, I would recommend going down to our description, because we have a link there. And sign up with our link, and you will be able to get started right away. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below this video helped you.